Hello. Have you ever flown your drone in a sandstorm? Would you like to see what it's like flying a drone in a sandstorm? Sure you would. Let's go. Fellow YouTuber and good friend Linda, who goes by Cleverdarkelve, had a malfunctioning Phantom 4, so I, being the good friend that I am, shipped my old Phantom 3 Pro off to Arizona so that she could use it. Of course, the weather out in Arizona is horribly hot. Horribly hot. Temperatures recently have been getting up around 122, 124 Fahrenheit. That kind of heat creates a lot of unstable air. Speaking of unstable air, I know, I'm a classy guy. And now we join Linda as she hops up on top of a parking structure trying to get a good shot of the sandstorm. This is a parking structure near Chandler, Arizona. You can see Linda there controlling it, or at least trying to. She was going to get a shot of the sandstorm when the wind grabbed the Phantom 3 and just kind of took it on a little ride. At this point, you can see the propellers pointing downward as Linda desperately tries to get the drone back closer to the parking structure where she took off. Beautiful skyline here in Arizona. You can see in the distance there, little dust devils cropping up. Linda is panicking at this point because it's not her drone and she doesn't want to lose it or crash it. And I appreciate that. You see the sandstorm in the distance encroaching on the parking structure, and the wind just takes it across the desert as she's fighting to get it back closer to her before it gets out of range. And now the wind really starts to come in. You can see the dust down there blowing across the desert. Propellers pointed down, full throttle, and the Phantom 3 just stays in one spot. That's all she can do. It doesn't get any closer to her as it fights the wind. Luckily, she's got it pointed in the right direction and is getting some great shots of the dust. I'm really thankful that she didn't panic and hit return to home, because return to home wouldn't fight as hard to get back as you would in manual mode. And then she starts to make a little bit of progress. And here comes some more dust. The Phantom 3 is a powerful little drone. Don't dismiss it just because it's old. And it really isn't. Just fighting the wind here. This kind of stuff happens in Arizona, especially with all the heat waves that have been going on. Regular temperatures in the 120 degrees Fahrenheit range every day. And she's got her DSLR camera set up on top of the parking garage as well. And while she was fighting to get my camera in the air back down, one of her cameras tipped over on the tripod and broke. Totally destroyed. The weather can change on a dime in Arizona. In fact, it got so dark during this sandstorm, and you'll see it in the background, that hotel, the lights came on because it got so dark. You can't really see it, but there is dust and sand pummeling the drone right now. Using up quite a bit of battery as it continues to get battered around by the sandstorm. Poor Linda's freaking out right now on the parking structure. But she's a good drone pilot and managed to get it back towards her. You can see the flags down there in the parking lot, how fast the wind is blowing. Here come the hotel lights. Bink! And right now she's over the parking garage and will begin to descent back down to safety. And she doesn't yet realize that her $2,000 camera has been destroyed by the sandstorm.
Holy crap. Huge sandstorm just blew through. See it behind me. Your drone is trying to land over here. Oh my god. Don't crash. Okay, it's landing. It's landing. Oh, it's gonna be safe. Oh, thank God.
Good job, Linda.
That's on the ground. Now let me show you what happened to my camera. Completely ruined. Completely fell over. The whole case is broken. Nothing on that thing is ever going to work again. My God.
Poor Linda. Not only does she live in one of the most inhospitable parts of the country, but she lost her expensive camera trying to save mine. Linda is a professional photographer, so this is really going to slow her business down. If you'd like to help her, feeling generous maybe, there's a link below in the description. And before I let you go, I have to let everyone know the winners of the stupid little drone contest. It's not really a stupid drone. It's more like a dumb drone. But they're still fun, and here are the winners. Mike T. Congratulations, Mike T. You've got one of these stupid little drones. The next winner is Chris Reagan, or Regan. Congratulations, Chris Reagan or Regan. You've got one of these stupid little drones. And the last winner of the third stupid little drone. Thought I had his name here. Hang on, I'll go get it. Whoa, 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 what happened? Oh no! My boom mic! It came down and boomed the... Oh no! Well, the third winner is Bill Hall. Congratulations, Bill Hall. Oh, I see, he doesn't mind. He said, give me that stupid little drone, even the one that you crushed 1,400 times. Thanks everybody who participated. I'll have more drones to give away very soon. Buh and bye.